how to get the repost button on TikTok iPhone. So if you want to get the repost button on your TikTok iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to tap and hold on to your TikTok video that you would like to repost. Once you do that, here under your options, you will have your repost option. But if you don't find the repost option, then you can just simply go back and then update your TikTok application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if you don't find the repost button, if the feature is still missing, then just uninstall the application and then reinstall the app again. But note, TikTok sometimes rolls out new features gradually to different user groups for testing purposes. It's possible the repost feature is still being tested or released in phases, and you haven't received it yet. So if the feature is not there, then it means that TikTok has discontinued the feature. Simply wait for the next app update, and you will probably get the feature. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.